if you use your stylus of your graphical tablet, Wacom in my case, did you already experience this kind of strange line at the beginning here? At the start of a stroke, you've got a strange straight line. Short solution and quick solution, search for Wacom in my case, which is the driver. And then you need to completely put a tip double click distance off. And now in Krita or in Blender, my drawing is going to be completely smooth. So I thought it was lag, and I did search into settings, but it's not. And a lot of people have this problem and don't realize they've got it. If you go into Blender, just to show you how it works, I'm in Blender 2.8, and you can add an object called grease pencil, blank, and then you can select color for your pencil, and also thickness for your line. And I had the exact same problem, but now that I've made the change, okay, I need to go into draw mode. Yeah. Now that I made the change, I can have something which is perfectly smooth like before. I hope this has been useful. There's a French version of the video in the link below, and I will try to split into French and English channels. Thanks. Bye.